Starting anew, unlocking the essence. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into a phrase that's filled with hope, possibilities, and fresh beginnings. Have you ever heard someone say they want to start anew? Let's find out exactly what they mean and how you can use this phrase too. Starting anew is more than just words, it's a mindset. Start anew is a combination of two words. 1. Start. To begin or commence. 2. Anew. Once more, again, but in a new or different way. Together, the phrase means to begin something again, but with a fresh perspective or a different approach. To get a better grasp, let's look at a few examples. 1. After the failure of his first business, he decided to start anew with a different idea. 2. She moved to a new city to start anew after a tough breakup. 3. The team lost the game, but they were determined to start anew and train harder for the next match. In all these examples, there's a sense of leaving behind the past and looking forward to a new beginning. It's always great to have alternative phrases up your sleeve. Here are some synonyms for start anew. Begin again. Start from scratch. Make a fresh start. Turn over a new leaf. The beauty of language is in its power to encapsulate vast emotions and experiences in just a few words. Start anew is one such phrase that captures the essence of new beginnings and hope. Now, whenever you feel the need for a fresh start or see someone embarking on a new journey, you know the perfect phrase to use or relate to. Here's hoping that every time you start anew, it brings forth incredible opportunities. Happy learning!